Different brushes to tackle any cleaning job. Great for cleaning bicycles, motorcycles, and automobiles. Includes chain for hanging after use. User guide on back of card. Top reviews from the United States. Great set of brushes at a great price. The Finish Line Easy Pro brush set is, for what I can tell so far, the best brush set for cleaning my MTB, especially for the price. The set consists of 5 various brushes, a 5mm ball chain. The ball chain is a great little bonus, that I use to keep all my brushes together, hang them to dry after using them. The brushes are designed to use for different parts components of the bike. There is a small brush, a small spiral brush. I used to use a toothbrush to clean the cassette derailleur, also to get into those tight spaces of the frame that often get missed. A loop brush to clean all around your cranks, tires, spikes, hubs. A large soft bristle brush for general frame cleaning. Lastly is a paint brush style brush that can be used to sweep away dust, dry particles from your frame crankset. Don't think I'll get much use out of this one. With a set like this, I'm sure there are numerous cleaning chores they can tackle. The brushes are not heavy. The handles are some type of plastic, have synthetic bristles. Only time will tell how long these will last. I'll try to remember to update this review with that info. For the price, this is a great set of brushes to keep your bike, motorcycle, scooter, or whatever you have, clean. Thank you for taking the time to read my review. I hope you found it helpful.